How to review driver age requirement on dollar car rental. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. So for the requirement of dollar car rental, as you can see, for location New York, minimum age is 18, Alabama it's 19, all other US states 20, and Quebec 18, and Canada 20. And you also see drivers must have a valid driver's license. Drivers must have a valid debit or credit card. In some dollar neighborhood location may require a credit card as well. Drivers under 25 in the US can rent most vehicles except those under the Dream Car, Prestige, and Adrenaline collections. And this is how to review driver age requirement on dollar car rental. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.